Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Seiko model and the battery code. This ensures fit and polarity. Once you have the correct cell, place the watch face down on a soft cloth. Use a caseback opener or blade at the notch. Apply steady pressure and rotate slowly. Do not gouge the metal. If the back is screw down, use the correct wrench and match pins. Keep tiny screws and parts in a tray and make sure you maintain orientation for reassembly. You now remove the crown and stem, locate the small release lever and depress it with a pegwood or pin, then gently pull the crown out, do not force. Lift any battery retainer carefully. Some Seiko movements have a clip held by a screw or spring. Once free, use plastic tweezers to lift the battery straight up. Avoid scraping contacts. Take a photo for reference of polarity and washers, because correct reassembly depends on exact placement and insulation piece. You insert the new battery with the same polarity shown in your reference photo, press it into its seat, and replace any retainer or spring clip. Once installed, gently reconnect and push the crown back in, then wind or set the time to verify the movement runs. If the hands don't move, recheck contact springs and battery seating. Finally, reseal the case back evenly, screw or press it until flush. If you experience water ingress or erratic operation, recheck seals and test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.